I'm your Mama Shibbo and welcome back to our channel. Christmas is just around the corner and kabilaan na naman ng parties, events, and kasama na din dyan yung mga weddings na aatinan natin. Poproblemahin natin yung get-up natin. Siyempre, what clothes to wear, and for that full package, siyempre dapat naka-full makeup din tayo. And kasama na dyan sa iintindihin natin is our eye makeup. This video is perfect para sa mga friends natin na pinoproblema kung paano maglagay ng eye makeup e dun sa mga first-timers na gustong matutong mag-apply ng eye makeup. For today's video, I will be giving you tips kung paano mag-apply ng eyeshadow seamlessly. We will create a universally flattering look that you can wear sa mga events, parties, and even for everyday makeup lang. This eye makeup will go well with any lip color, kahit lip tint lang yan. If you want to know how, just keep watching! There are 6 things to keep in mind if you want to have that perfect eye makeup. The first thing that comes to mind when doing your eye makeup is blending. And to have that perfectly blended eyeshadow is having and investing on number 1, good blending brush. When it comes to makeup brushes, there are so many types, materials, and brands to choose from. But more importantly than the brand is the material that make up the brush. Different types of brushes work with different types of products.
Natural hair brushes are made out of various animal hair or fur, best for powder products, and is extremely durable. Synthetic brushes are made up of man-made bristles, nylon, or synthetic fibers. It is best for liquid or cream products. I will be using a fluffy blending brush made out of goat's hair. Here are some examples of eye brushes. For this tutorial, you will need a smudger brush and one blending brush. Makeup brushes in general have 3 parts: the hair or bristles, the ferrule, and the handle. When applying your eye makeup, you also need to pay close attention to the way you hold your makeup brush. If your eyeshadow appears to be patchy, you are holding your eyeshadow brush too close to the bristles and near the ferrule. I suggest you hold the brush at the tip of the handle. This gives you lesser control of the brush. I guarantee you this would give you a softer blend.
Number 2. You should also know the anatomy of your eye makeup.
The brow bone, crease, outer V, lid, upper and lower lash line, and near tear duct.
Number 3. Make sure your eyebrows are clean and well groomed.
Remove any stray hair so that you can clearly see where your eyeshadow should start and should end.
Number 4. You need to have an eye primer. Eyeshadow primers will cover your imperfections on your lids and it will make your eyeshadow colors pop. It also allows your eyeshadows to stick better. Number 5. Powder. After applying your eyeshadow primer, you should set your lids with a powder. I suggest you use a skin tone colored powder when setting your eyelids. This will allow you to create a smooth base for your eyeshadows. And lastly, an eyeshadow palette. Your eyeshadow palette doesn't have to be high-end. For first-timers or beginners, I suggest you buy this EB Pro Play Palette from Ever Bilena. Nabili ko to ng 149 pesos only. At ito yung ginamit ko for this eye makeup. Now, 3 color lang ang hahanapin nyo kung bibili kayo ng eyeshadow palette. First, kailangan meron itong light shades.
Light tones are a shade lighter than your skin tone. It is used for your base, setting your primer, and highlighting.
Medium shades.
Midtones are your transition colors. These colors are applied on your crease.
And dark shades.
Dark tones are your contour shades. These are shades darker than your skin tone and can be anywhere up to a black shade.
This EB Pro palette has light shades, medium shades, and dark shades.
Now let's begin with the tutorial. Start by prepping your lids with an eyeshadow primer, a concealer, or even just your foundation. Set your lids with a skin tone powder or even yung mga light tones sa eyeshadow palette nyo. Start by applying your transition colors. These are your mid-tones. Start from your crease up, stopping under the brow bone. Then, from the outer corner and above your lid in a wiper motion. Keep doing this until your transition color is well blended. If you don't know where your eyeshadow should start and end, use your brow, the end of your eye, and the edge of your nose as your guide. Blend from this line inwards. Make sure to leave a gap below your brow bone and keep your eyes open. Now let's contour. Next is your dark tones. Apply it on your outer lid and deep into the crease. Don't blend too high. Your mid-tone color or your transition color should be the highest. You can also squeeze your eyeshadow brush like this for more precise application. You can repeat the steps kung nakukulangan pa kayo sa eyeshadow nyo. Pwedeng dagdagan nyo pa yung transition color and yung contour color nyo, basta make sure to blend everything. Remember, the key is blending. Kung satisfied na kayo, let's proceed with highlighting. Back to your light shades. Apply highlight on your inner lid, blending across the inner edge in a sweeping down motion. You can stop here, or you can still add a shimmer shadow on top of your light shade. You can finish off in whatever way you want. You can put an eyeliner, mascara, or even false eyelashes. This is optional. You can also tightline by using a black eyeliner on your upper lash line. Using a smudger brush, you can also put your transition and your contour color on your lower lash line. Make sure to blend! If you want to be extra, you can also put your highlighter on your tear duct. And we're done!
Sana may natutunan kayo kahit papano and sana nakatulong ako sa inyo. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below kung ano yung gusto nyo video na susunod namin gawin. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I hope you enjoyed watching. Bye friends!